Hello everyone, I'm Charles Vincent M. Ligenset. Welcome to Transforming Molecule Discovery in Material Science with AI. Today, we'll explore how AI-driven computational chemistry is reshaping research and innovation. Let's begin by understanding what computational chemistry is. In simple terms, it's the use of computer simulations and mathematical models to explore molecules, their properties, and their reactions. This field draws heavily from quantum mechanics, classical mechanics, and statistical thermodynamics. Instead of relying solely on physical experiments, we can now model chemical structures, predict reaction behaviors, and even simulate biological systems, like proteins, digitally. This allows for faster, safer, and often more insightful research. Now, why is this important? First, it's cost effective. Lab experiments can be expensive and time consuming. Computational methods let us simulate scenarios before committing resources. Second, we can explore complex systems such as unstable reaction, intermediates, or very large biological molecules that are difficult or impossible to test experimentally. This is particularly valuable in drug discovery and materials science, where early predictions can guide successful outcome. This field let us model complex systems, like unstable intermediates or large proteins, that are tough to study experimentally. Speed, it speeds drug discovery through virtual screening and accelerates material design by testing candidates in silico. So where does AI come in? AI, through machine learning and deep learning, helps us make sense of vast chemical datasets. It can predict molecular behavior, suggest reactions, pathways, and even interpret an experimental data like NMR or spectrometry results. Rather than replacing traditional chemistry, AI enhances. Think of it. Think of AI as an intelligent assistant, helping us find solutions faster and with greater precision. There are a number of AI tools that are have proven useful in chemistry. Example, DeepChem, an open source Python library that enables deep learning for molecular property prediction. AlphaFold by DeepMind, a revolutionary tool that accurately predicts 3D protein structure from amino acids sequence. ChemProf from MIT uses neural network to predict chemical properties with high accuracy. Each of these tools has unique strengths and applications, and together they represent a powerful toolkit for modern chemists. How AI works in chemistry. Let's look at the two powerful real-world applications. Drug discovery AI helps model how drug molecules bind to target proteins. This guides researchers to design more effective targeted therapies. Reaction prediction. AI can forecast the outcomes of chemical reactions and even suggest full synthetic routes, a game changer for industrial and pharmaceutical chemistry. Again, drug discovery. In drug discovery, we use molecular docking to predict how ligands bind target proteins. By optimizing these interactions virtually, we identify promising drug candidates for faster and with greater precision. Reaction prediction. Reaction prediction AI forecasts products from given reactants and conditions or even suggests complete synthetic routes, helping chemists plan efficient novel synthesis. And here are the advantages of AI. The are clear. Speed. AI can make predictions in seconds. Cost efficiency reduces the need for physical trials. Scalability handles massive datasets, and complex systems. Discovery helps identify promising new molecules early in the process. But of course, AI isn't without challenges. Here are the limitations and challenges of the AI. Data quality is critical. Bad data means bad predictions. Interpretability is still an issue. We often don't fully understand why a model made a certain prediction. And integration with lab work can be difficult. Bridging the gap between virtual and physical experimentation is an ongoing challenge. And of course, these challenges are being worked. Future outlooks. Looking ahead, we see exciting trends. Autonomous labs, fully robotics labs powered by AI, capable of running and analyzing experiment without human intervention. AI as co-scientists. AI will soon generate hypotheses, design experiments, and interpret results, also like a human partner. However, we must also consider ethical concerns like intellectual property, bias in data, and the implications of machine-led discovery. To summarize the benefits, speed and efficiency, reduce costs, scalability, scalability, improve discoveries, au- automation and optimization, improve discovery, and integration with experiment, personali- personalization and precision. AI is truly revolutionizing how we conduct chemical research. Ladies and gentlemen, we stand at the edge of a new scientific era, one driven not only by human curiosity, but by the power of artificial intelligence. AI is not here to replace scientists, it's here to empower them. It's the microscope of the 21st century, revealing patterns in data we could never see, accelerating discoveries once thought decades away, and unlocking new frontiers in chemistry, biology, medicine, and beyond. In drug discovery, AI can predict how a molecule will behave before it's ever created. In material science, it helps us engineer compounds with properties tailored to solve our greatest challenges, from ultimate change to clean energy. In the lab, AI doesn't just automate, it collaborates, guiding experiments, optimizing results, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But embracing AI in science is more than adopting new tools. It's about embracing a new mindset, a willingness to work with machines, not just as instruments, but as partners in discovery. Yes, there are challenges: data, quality, ethical concerns, transparency. But if we approach AI with intention and integrity, we don't lose control. We gain precision, speed, and insights. So let's not resist the future. Let's lead it. Let us embrace AI not with fear, but with purpose. Not as a replacement, but as a co-pilot in our quest for knowledge. Because the future of science is not just a human or machine. It's both working together. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.